Hi, this short video contains out of specification, OOS, in pharma-QC department overview. Test findings that don't meet predetermined acceptance criteria or specifications are referred to as out of specification, OOS, results in the context of pharmaceutical quality control. These standards are intended to guarantee the quality, safety, and efficacy of pharmaceutical products. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration (USFDA) offers recommendations for how to handle OOS circumstances successfully. OOS incidents can be brought on by a number of things, such as defective instruments, human error, sample contamination, or underlying process abnormalities. When dealing with an OOS outcome, USFDA guidelines stress the value of a comprehensive inquiry and documentation. The inquiry seeks to identify the underlying reason, which may be a technical problem, a mistake in the process, or other elements. According to USFDA standards, addressing OOS conditions involves a few key considerations. 1. Timely reporting. The quality control, QC, division and other pertinent parties must be quickly informed of OOS results. 2. Immediate actions. Depending on the potential implications of the OOS result, temporary measures may be required to stop impacted batches from being distributed. 3. Thorough inquiry. To determine the origin of the OOS result, a thorough inquiry should be carried out. Reviewing the testing process, instrument performance, sample handling, and any environmental influences are all part of this. 4. Corrective and preventive activities. CAPA. In light of the investigation, the necessary corrective activities must be put into practice in order to deal with the current problem. To reduce the chance of recurrence, preventive measures should also be put in place. 5. Documentation. It is essential to fully document the investigation's methodology, findings, course of action, and results. This documentation serves as both proof of regulatory compliance and a historical record. 6. Quality assessment. To guarantee the accuracy and suitability of the actions performed, competent experts should undertake a thorough assessment of the investigation and its findings. 7. Retesting. To confirm or disprove the first OOS finding, a retest may occasionally be conducted using the retained sample. Retesting ought to be done with a different technique, tester, or tool. 8. Making a decision. The impacted batch's fate is decided upon after an investigation, retesting, and quality assessment. Depending on the type of OOS result, the choice can be to release, rework, or discard. Thank you.